Hey guys, my name is Leon and this is an skateboard unboxing video. I ordered these stuff from Setup Shop, the skate shop in Hungary, so let's get started. First off, I got 2 sheets of Junt Griptape with a Death Wish logo die cut. That's really cool. Then I got Element hardware, Allen 1-inch. Like Allen is the best. That's my favorite. Bones Red's bearings. They're pretty good for the price. I think they get dirty easily, but it's easy to clean them, so yeah, it's worth it. Then I got Indie Trucks Air Custom Signature. Like, these are beautiful. 139 hollow and 4 the base plate. It's really thin, strong. Then last but not least, 8.0 Element Timber Shine deck. So the graphic is really cool. It's like a bear praying, and got this art around it, like all those colors. It's really cool. It has a black top layer, and there's one more thing. These guys gave me, obviously they gave me some stickers, Setup Shop stickers, and they gave me free skate wax, Bones Street Wax, which is really cool. I was really happy about it, so I'm thankful to those guys from the shop. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So there will be a setup video soon, and stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Bye.